So here we are having Codeforces problem 1. So go to the Codeforces problem set section. Yeah, it's buffering. And you go here, you'll find all the list of the problems. Then you arrange here by the sorting of the difficulty level. Let's click the yeah, this is 3500 is the most difficult problem set that available in this platform. Let's solve from the easy ones first. Okay, let's go through the first question. It is watermelon. Okay, let's solve this question for a watermelon. So what this problem actually says: on a hot summer day, Pete and his friend Billy decided to buy a watermelon. They choose the biggest and the ripest one in their opinion. After that, the watermelon has weighed on the scales below showed. Yeah, let's go so and so. Okay, let us see. Let us focus only on the input. Okay, right. The first one input contains an integer w, which is the weight. It is in between the 1 to 100, the weight of the watermelon bought by the boys. So actually this problem statement says that both brothers, there are two brothers, they goes to a watermelon vendor, sees and selects an watermelon that they wanted to buy. So they divide them into two halves, one for each brother. So their main motto and the main condition is that the two divided parts must be even. Okay, so brother A receives an kilos of even, brother B also receives an weight of even. So what does they give? Okay, we need to read the input and we have to print yes or no. See, we have here 8 can be divided into 2 and 6 and 4 and 4, etc, etc. So the weight they chose can be divided and distributed among them, yes or no. That is what we have to do with. Okay, let's go with the header file, include iOS stream uh, using namespace std. So here our main logic start. Let's solve it in the function void solve. We have to read the integer w, which is the weight of the watermelon, and read it later. If the main condition comes here, if the weight of the watermelon must be an even, that means its remainder is 0 when divided by 2. Its modulo is 2, modulo of 2 is 0 actually. Okay, and weight greater than 2. Why did I mention weight greater than 2? If assume weight equal to 2, the watermelon size they chose is equal to 2. It satisfies the first condition, that's the it is an even, so that they can divide it among themselves. But the brother A and brother B both gets an 1 kg, which is odd, which violates our condition. Both need to get the even weights, right? Yes, I think capital S. Else see out. No. Yep, this is our solve function. Now we'll write our main function, int main. There is nothing to do here, just solve, return 0. This has to be run, guys. Oh, let's submit it. But actually this is not the way. How do you do? Actually you must have another compiler that I will explain you in the following videos. I suggest the Codeforces compiler so that parallelly you can run. So say suppose example you have a Codeforces, we have here Codeforces compiler, right? Codeforces compiler, everyone must be aware of this Codeforces compiler. So here so and so code I wrote there, I must write it here. So I'll select the language C++. There I get my hashtags or the predefined functions already, so that I'll run here and add my input here and check for the output. If it comes, I'll directly copy the paste here and paste it, and it gets accepted. That's it guys. I'll explain that approach from the next videos. Thank you.